Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you my take on cashew chicken. Some of you requested. It is a very popular dish and very delicious. Let me show you the ingredients. You guys can see I already did my prep work. I have one chicken breast already diced. Of course you can use chicken thigh meat and also diced bell peppers and sliced white part of green onions, ginger and garlic. Of course, this is roasted cashew nuts. If you have raw cashews, you can pan fry them. Next, I'm gonna season the chicken. To season the chicken, we just add a little bit of salt, white pepper powder. If you don't have, you can use ground black pepper. And vegetable oil. Just mix well. And when I make this dish for myself, I normally make it dry, no sauce, but I know you guys probably, 90% of you guys are saying, we need a sauce. Okay, so next I'm going to make the sauce. So to make the sauce, I have some potato starch. You can use corn starch, and just add a little bit of sugar. It's light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce for color. If you don't have it, skip it. And dark vinegar. You can just use regular rice vinegar. So this is kind of like a sweet and sour sauce, I call it. And some water. So mix this well. So this will be a sweet and sour sauce. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to high. Add some oil. First, we're going to brown our meat. It takes a few minutes till the chicken is lightly brown. After about 3-4 minutes, you can see our chicken lightly brown. We're going to set aside. Add a little bit more oil. Now we're going to saute our peppers. Add a little bit of salt. Cook it till they're tender, or depends on how crunchy you like them. The peppers smell good. Now we add ginger, white part of green onions, garlic, add our chicken back. Now turn the heat to medium low. We add our sauce. We need a little bit of water. And just taste quickly. Very good. A little bit salt. And the cashews. Mix. And our cashew chicken is ready. Smells so good. I cannot wait. Let me try. You can see there's sauce. In the end, if the sauce is thickening or getting dry, you can always add a little bit of water to make it saucer or to your liking. Cheers. Delicious. Crunchiness of the cashew, peppers, chicken's tender. The sauce is great. It only has a good balance. I call it the sweet and sour sauce. So good to go with rice. Another dish, right? Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you ever had cashew chicken and how it is different from mine. Please try to make this at home. Want to learn another word? Chinese word? Cashew in Chinese, 腰果. Did you get it? 腰果. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.